Are you tired of your miter cuts never lining up, or your boards being out of square? It's very likely that your saw is not tuned correctly. A few minutes of setup work will save you a lifetime of hassle. Buy yourself an inexpensive angle finder and zero it to your table, and then zero your blade. Also, use a square to ensure that your cut angles are correct. Measure twice and cut once. Doing this before each project will ensure that every cut comes out true. As always, thank you for watching. Follow me, like and subscribe for more content.